Alright, so once you get to an article and you want to keep it, and let's say you're someone who really likes to save links to get back to articles, one of the things you do not want to do is you do not want to copy and paste this link right here. Whenever you search in a database, it is session based, so as soon as you cancel out, that URL is useless, especially with EBSCOhost databases. So anytime you search one of these types of databases, you absolutely 100% want to make sure you are not copying and pasting this to get back to the article. The link you want to use to get back to your article is, you'll just go ahead and click into the article, and it will give you a list of options on the side over here. If all you're wanting to do is just get a link, click permanent link, and that's the link you're going to want to copy and paste. That will guarantee that it will bring you back to this exact page, and then you can go over here, you can get your PDF, get your full text option, however you want to do that. I always recommend doing email. When you do the email option, it sends you the PDF. It also gives you the option to find any kind of citations. You can do APA, MLA, whatever you need. It will send you that full citation for the article, and then it will also send you the permanent link as well in the email. So you get all three of those things in one email. It's just easier to kind of keep up with. But those are your two options. Those are your two ways to get the permanent link when you're searching an EBSCO database. So just, again, one more reminder, just always make sure you get the permanent link and not the browser link in order to get back to the articles. That's it. It's that easy.